Our biggest event of the year is coming up on September 19th. This is our 5th annual Georgia Legislative Policy Forum. We bring in speakers from around the country to address the most important issues facing our Georgia General Assembly. And this year, our theme is going to be tearing down walls because it's the 25th anniversary of the fall of the Berlin Wall. And we're going to have a special program with some Georgians that have a special relationship with the fall of the Berlin Wall during lunch. We also are going to have a keynote speaker you've probably heard of, Herman Cain. And we're going to be focusing on 3 key issues we believe that are going to get significant attention in the legislature. One is education reform. We have 2 of the foremost experts in education on our panel. We also have one of the greatest legal experts, Clint Bolick of the Goldwater Institute. If you saw the school choice program in North Carolina was just struck down by their courts. We have a school choice program that has a lawsuit that filed against it here in Georgia, our tuition tax credit scholarship. So it'd be great to see what Clint has to say about those 2 lawsuits and what we can do to protect our school choice programs. The other issue is tax reform. North Carolina undercut us last year. They've gone from 7 3/4 down to 5 1/2 on their personal income tax. Of course, we'd like to see the income tax go to 0. But hopefully next year we'll start working on that. We're going to have a state senator from North Carolina, an expert from the Tax Foundation as well, to talk about tax reform. And finally, health care. Of course, that's a big issue at the national level. We're looking at alternatives. What are some free market alternatives to what Washington has given us? Rather than expanding a failed government program like Medicaid, how can we actually get low-income people access to good health care, but do it in a sustainable way that actually rewards innovation? We have a lot of, if you go down to Georgia Tech or the Atlanta Technology Village, there are countless companies that have great ideas about how to get health care to individuals using telemedicine and other things that are not expensive. But the rules and regulations don't let us do it. So we want to break down those walls to allow our doctors and patients and our technology to solve those problems. So mark down your calendar, September 19th. Go ahead and go online on our website, georgiapolicy.org, and register.